Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the Cyber Hunter gameplay comparison between the Poco X3 versus the Poco X2 device. So the reason why I'm doing this kind of Cyber Hunter comparison because the Cyber Hunter game actually supports the 90 FPS in the gameplay. So that's why I decided to do the comparison between both phones. So whether the Poco X3 actually supports the 90 FPS or not, whether the Poco X2 also supports the or not. So both phones they do have very good IR refresh rate close to 120 Hz. So let me try to show you the quickly in the settings what I'm using. As you can see, I'm using the 120 Hz refresh rate at the moment. And if you feel the Poco X2's display is kind of yellowish, I'm not using any kind of settings, nothing, no reading mode is on or nothing, but still it looks kind of yellowish in the Poco X2 display. So let me try to open the Cyber Hunter game in both the smartphones. So it is a Cyber Hunter. Yep. So what I can do, at least I'll try to do the speed test as well while opening this Cyber Hunter game. So let me try to add the application to the home screen. So it is a Cyber Hunter, and let me try to delete the multitasking. As you can see, everything is cleared from the multitasking, nothing is there. So let me try to open the Cyber Hunter game in both phones at same time. Let's see which phone will be actually loading the Cyber Hunter faster. As I said, both phones have enabled the 120 Hz refresh rate, and as you can see on the so there has been a small update, so that's why it's a kind of slow in the Poco X2 device. And now let me try to start the both games at same time in both phones. As you can see here, so I start the game in both phones at same time. So now both games are updated. As you can see, both are at same time they are trying to open. But the Poco X3 is slightly faster in terms of the opening the home screen in terms of the Cyber Hunter. So that's one thing I did notice. So now quickly let me try to jump into the settings what I'm getting. So there are so many this kind of pop-up annoying windows. So every time I open this game, this is a kind of disadvantage here. In the Poco X2 device, you can see there is a 90 FPS option. As you can see, friends, clearly in the Poco X2. Let me try to even show you the real-time FPS count meter if you are able to see it here. 63, 61. So maybe when I play the game, you might be able to see more. So once let me try to even show you the Poco X3 settings. Let's get rid of this all annoying pop-up windows. So let me try to go to the settings and graphics. As you can see, friends, there is no 90 FPS. Unfortunately, that's a kind of drawback because I'm using the 120 Hz refresh rate in the display. So let me try to even show you exactly. As you can see, 120 Hz refresh rate is on. Maybe the game has not been updated to this phone. Maybe I think so. That's why you're not seeing the 90 FPS, as you can clearly see. So now let me try to play the game in both phones so that you will be able to see the real-time FPS count. So let me try to show you the game turbo FPS count. As you can see in Poco X2 device, you can clearly see 75 FPS. In Poco X3, you can see the difference here in terms of the FPS count. So in the Poco X2, it supports a 90 FPS. So that's why you are getting above 70 and 73. As you can see, even 83 as well sometimes. Let me even start running and show you the count. 83 FPS you are getting in this game, 88, as you can see here. And in the Poco X3 device, you are getting about 45 FPS. So let me show you the settings what I'm using exactly. This is the graphics settings, and I'm using the ultra and high resolution and best graphics as well, as you can see. So these are the settings I'm using. So let me try to decrease kind of resolution little bit. So alright friends, it doesn't matter what different settings I'm using, I'm unable to get above 50 FPS while playing this game in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, I try to select each and every lowest settings as possible, but still I am unable to get the 60 FPS mark in the Poco X3 device. So the maximum I got about 45, 47. So this was the maximum recorded FPS count here. But overall the gameplay looks pretty fine without any issues. in this game. So now you can see the 53 and now 45. So whereas the Poco X2 was doing about of 73, 72 sometimes, as you can see 81, 85 as well, even sometimes 74. So our friends, this is a quick Cyber under 90 FPS support test in the Poco X3 and the Poco X2. In the Poco X2, it's definitely supported with the 90 FPS, but in the Poco X3, at the moment, the 90 FPS is not supported in the Cyber Hunter gameplay. And for more similar kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly. I'll be trying to post so many videos on the Poco X3 device as well. And that's it for this video, friends. And final conclusion is that you can play at higher FPS in the Poco X2, but in the Poco X3 I am unable to reach above 50 FPS as well. Doesn't matter what low settings I am using, as you can see. So that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.